Good morning, guys. It is I don't know what this is, but I'm going through. Anyway, it's hump day, 9:30, and I am on my way to work. I'm feeling good today. I really am. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling cute. And, yeah, I'm feeling happy. Hey, yo, hey, I'm back out in the streets. Came to pick up my babies. It looked like it's about to storm, so I came to get my baby girl and then go and get my other baby girl. Alright, guys, so we are here at Aldi's. And look at this goodies that they got. Some cute stuff. We got spiders, skulls and bones, tombstones, cats with pumpkins. Oh, look at these. This is cute. They are candle holders. So cute. They are $26.99. And they got that color as well as the green. And then these over here. A little pumpkin. Oh, so cute. Later on in the day. Tired. But I'm gonna do this haul right quick. I got chicken thighs, 2 packs, a family pack and a regular pack from Aldi's. I got some pears, strawberries, blackberry, raspberries, I think a watermelon, 2 cantaloupe. My baby got her some chicken patties, wheat bread, some white bread. I got 2 packs of ground lamb, a pack of chicken breast and turkey breast, a bag of yellow apples, a bottle of raw honey. I got a bunch of bananas, 2 dozen of eggs, 2 packs of sugar cookies for something special, some lactose-free milk, heavy cream, and condensed milk. Oh, let me show y'all what I got for the holiday season. My baby girl bought me this, a Snoopy peanuts. Bro, listen, it got pumpkins, it got an apple pie on there, it got Snoopy, and it got what that little bird on here. Yeah, see? The little bird right there. He holding a loaf of bread with his little Thanksgiving pilgrim hat on. I got this, and I'm gonna get me some peanuts pajamas. Good morning, at the side, my pink pants on with my white tennis shoes and the black purse. Good morning, good morning. It is Saturday morning. It is raining out here. My eggs is cooking. I'm still gonna make my ice cream, sweet potato ice cream, and my sweet potato ice cream and my
player, babe. I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave us praise. spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have caught me on a crazy day. He in the mistaken trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I only five with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, you just got to Miami, need hotel room. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42, cause you, hey, you throwing on that dress, cause it's see-through. Just talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know.
Lactose free milk.
I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Ain't in the dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out the bitch you done been through. Yeah, say that you a leave, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
Look at my spiders. All out here, one eye spinning, the other one ain't spinning. I don't know what's wrong with this one. And then I got a ghost over here. I got this happy fall. They gotta go slow. And then I got these down in my garden. They are light. And then this is lit up. It's gonna be so cute tonight. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh. Look, y'all. It looks so good. Hey, guys. Hey, hey, hey. It is Sunday. I'm on my way to work. Just wanted to come on and say hi. And, yeah. How you guys been doing? My channels are really growing. I want to thank all my subscribers. Y'all been doing me so good. I'm trying to get my YouTube up. I'm at almost 300. But I would love to get to 1,000, guys. Let's help me push. I've been doing my videos. I got a video coming out today at 3 o'clock. A nice video coming out today. I sure do. I've been doing my little sweet potato series. And yeah. Yeah. Things. God has been testing me. And you just don't know. I'm strong as an ox. I'm just like my mama. We're playing. No matter what we go through, we persevere. We persevere. And that's what I'm doing. I'm persevering. Okay. Alright, y'all. We done with the grocery shopping. So, I wanted to show you guys my haul. Let's do the paper towels. I got a 12-pack of Mega Rolls from Walmart. I also got a 6-pack of Double Roll from Walmart. I got paper plates from Walmart. And we got cat food from Walmart. I think that's it from Walmart. Everything else came from Orton. So I got a gallon of 2% lactate milk. I got some lemonade. Drank that already, some of it. I got Honey Crisp Blend apple cider for some drinks for this week. We got pecan turtles, delight cookies, Toll House, 18-pack of eggs. I got 2 things of ground beef from Walmart. Bimbo bread, soft white. Simply Nature, coconut oil. Let's see. Oh, thick cut bacon and chicken breast tenderloins. We got us some green seedless grapes, some raspberries, I got a bag of peppers, a thing of tomato, cherry tomatoes, a whole cucumber, some baby spinach, and I got some more sweet potatoes, a thing of unsalted butter, and I got some avocado lime dressing. That's for our salad today. And I got 3 things of seasoning: paprika, garlic salt, and lemon pepper seasoning. So I've been going through it. My boy is gone now. I had to put my big boy down. He's sick. And how we going to talk about it. I'm crying for that. Crying for days. Crying for days. We are here at what is it called here? What's this place called? Tropical Smoothie. Tropical Smoothie. Getting us a look, they got that shake, coconut, oats, protein.
Acai berry boost. Acai berry boost. Oh yeah, I got Sunset Surrounds.
All right. Here we got the Passion.
I got Sunset Sunrise.
Sunset Sunrise. Turn the air on, Jesus. Ooh, y'all want to try? Oh my God. She got the peanut butter cup. Yours is really good. Man, you're so good, Kira. We finna go to Bayshore. We'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all. We are on our way to Barnes & Noble. Barnes & Noble. Cute. No, there you go.